good person abusers. Hello, my friend. Welcome to my channel. This is Amira. Why good person abusers can be dangerous? You know, they are charming and very, very likable. They have a good reputation, so you trust them. They appear empathetic, so you tell them your secrets. Victims tend to experience mass confusion. These abusers say all the right things, but they don't do what they say. You lose trust in yourself and in your own reality. They appear humble, so you think you won't be judged, and you think you are so safe, but you couldn't be more unsafe. Nothing is as it seems. It is deception on steroids and is extremely traumatizing. Unfortunately, because of their good reputation, when you tell people they are abusers, people don't believe you. No one believes you. So be very careful. Okay? Dear Unique, if you like my video, subscribe to my channel, like and share. Share it with someone you think they should see this video and listen to this video. Thank you so much. And dear Unique, always remember, there is only one you. Be in the shelter of God's love, always, forever, and beyond. Amira Rani.